When it comes to anything with wire, my type of stuff. Car come in, change the start, new starter install, car still not start. So boom now. Check what going with them wire, you know. It's supposed to be 12 volt. This wire run all the way come back up to this. Push this inside and see what's coming out. Yes. 12 volt. So I'm not going to do nothing. I'm going to check the resistance in the wire. See what I'm going. So I realize with this now, I get a voltage drop from the positive battery wire. So each time I crank it, the voltage drop to 2 volts. Which the voltage is supposed to remain steady at 12 volts until the car starts. So I'm going to say boom now, use a jumper cable to crank it, and I get it to crank, so I know the wire definitely gone bad. So I get a new wire now, as positive battery cable. Rewrote that, install it, and I'll crank it up shortly. Connect up back the new battery cable to the starter, connect it up to the battery. I'll test it again with the jumper cable. And see if I can get it to crank. That's it. So these are the old battery cable. Crank it up now. One kick. That's it. That is it.